A business you can start small and scale big. Nylon distributorship or wholesale business might be the hidden gold mine you have been looking for. Selling nylon wholesale business is very lucrative because shop owners and retailers must buy in bulk. In this video, I'll be showing you the exact steps you have to take to become a distributor or to start selling nylon in wholesale, from your first customers to everything without stress. So if you are interested, watch this video to the end, because at the end of this video, I will be revealing one secret which might even favor you. So if you are interested in becoming a distributor or start selling nylon in wholesale, watch this video to the end. So if you're watching my video for the first time, my name is V World. On this channel, we talk about everything related to nylon production, from the raw materials to the machineries, production process, and even teach you how to market your product. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do, as it helps us grow our page, and equally so you join our family, join the V World family. So today, our topic is wholesale business or distributorship. Wholesale business or distributorship. A distributor is a person who buys directly from manufacturers or producers and sell in larger quantities to wholesalers. And who is a wholesaler? A wholesaler is a person who buys in large quantities from distributors and sell in smaller quantities to retailers. Now, the role of a distributor and a wholesaler is to make the product reach out to everyone. That is the role of a distributor and a wholesaler. So now, I'm going to list out types of nylon in wholesale business. Types of nylon you can be distributing or you can start in wholesale. All these type of nylon that I'm about to mention, I've explained the types and the uses in my previous video, so you can go and watch it. I'm just going to list it out here so you know. The type of nylon you can sell as a wholesaler or you can be distributing is big and less. This big and less you are seeing on the screen now. Another type of nylon you can be distributing or you can start wholesale is small one, the small black nylon. Another one is SS1 and SS2, which is the one that have hand. We know it here as SS1 and SS2. So another one is stripe, all these stripes, these colored stripes we are seeing. So another one is garbage nylon. Another one is rain sheet or tarpaulin. Many people call it tarpaulin, or you can equally call it rain sheet. So another one is branded nylon or customized nylon. This is the type of nylon. I have explained all these things in my previous video. Branded nylon, you can be selling this one in wholesale or you can become a distributor of it. There are so many nylons you can sell in wholesale business. You can start. The main purpose we are here today is to give you guide, give you secrets, some steps you have to take before starting up this business in wholesale or before you become a distributor. The number one step you have to take is market research. Market research is very, very important and very, very crucial in starting this business. It's very, very important because what works for Mr. A might not be working for Mr. B. What is working for me might not be working for you. What is working in my area, the type of nylon that moves fast in this area might not be moving fast in your area. The type of nylon that moves fast in this state might not be moving in your state. The type of nylon that moves fast here, we like here in this country, people might not like it. That's why I always tell people, first of all, first step you have to take is market research. So after watching this video, you have to go and go to market research, go to market, big market in your area, know what people want. You can even survey people to know what they actually need, the type of nylon that move fast. And so you have to go for market research, know what they want, what people like, then before you proceed. So another step you have to take before starting this wholesale business is sourcing your nylon. What do I mean by sourcing nylon? It means going directly to manufacturers or producers as a distributor. You have access to producers and manufacturers. Go there, negotiate with them, let them know your interest, what you want. You understand that you want to become a distributor. If they can grant you the access of becoming a distributor to your state or to your country, go there, let them know that you are buying big, or that you are a wholesaler, you want to be selling in wholesale. Let them know you are buying big. The larger you buy, the smaller unit cost. And let them negotiate prices. Let them know you are buying big so that they will reduce prices for you. This is another step you have to take. It's very, very important. Before you become a distributor, you have to go there, negotiate, talk prices, negotiate with them. Don't panic when you go there. You have your money, they have their goods, but when you discuss with them, you will know they will reduce price for you. And as a distributor, when you go there, let them know that once they start supplying goods to you, you and you alone in that your state or your country, no one else. You understand? Let it be a deal. Make deal with them. So after that, another step you have to take before thinking of starting a wholesale business is location. Location really matters in this business. So after you have might source your nylon, know where you are going to be buying goods in cheaper rates. Then another one is location. Don't go and hide your business. That's your area. You know the higher get in your area. Go there. Go and find a space, a warehouse or a shop there and start there. Don't hide your business. Wholesalers don't hide their business. Are located in a busy market because that people flow up and down. People come from other states, from villages, to buy something there. Make sure you are located there. That's a wholesalers don't stay in street. Distributors don't stay in street. They stay in busy market so that when people come from another state, they will just come and buy whatever they want to buy that place and see bus that will take them back to their places. Distributors don't hide in streets. Understand? So if you are thinking of becoming a distributor or you are thinking of becoming a wholesaler, you understand, make sure your shop is located in a busy market where people flow up and down from each state to another state, from this country to another, where they can easily find bus that is going. You know your state, you know the highest market in your state. Make sure you go there. Those people that is there, they don't have two heads. That is where your progress starts from. Make sure, look for a means to go there. Stay there. Understand? You are going to excel in nylon business, in nylon wholesale or nylon distributor. You are going to excel. Just do this and you are going to excel. Don't hide your business. Don't stay in all these local streets. Go to busy market. That every day you know that you will be selling things. Understand? So that by the case, another step you have to take in becoming a distributor or you want to start selling nylon in wholesale, another step is capital. Capital is very, very important. In nylon production, you can stay small and grow big. And if you have the capital, you can start big as well. In nylon production, starting small or big doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter. What matters is that did you take the right step? You understand? Did you take the right step? This is the right step. All these things I'm mentioning is the right step. Maybe you might start big, you might go in a door street and start big and you will collapse within a year. So that's why I said make sure you follow the right step. That's what matters. If you have small money, just go, just follow these steps I'm mentioning. You will excel. Before 1 year, 2 years, you have already grown big. You become a big distributor or big wholesaler. Understand? What matters is did you follow the right step? Capital. Some people, they'll be like, I only have 50, I only have 100, I only have 200. So don't wait till you have heaven and earth before you start. So any money you have, any amount you have, just start and make sure you follow the right step. Another step you have to take before becoming a distributor or before starting a nylon wholesale business is pricing and profit. What do I mean by pricing and profit? Always add a reasonable margin in your pack or per row of whatever you are selling, type of nylon you are selling. Always add a reasonable margin. For example, you might buy this row in company now, like this now, you might buy it. Let me just assume you bought this thing 5,000 naira. How much are you supposed to sell it? Some of us, the problem we used to encounter, the problem we face is that we always want to get exactly of the gain of what we spend. That's our problem. For as a wholesaler or a distributor, don't expect much profit. Though you are going to expect profit, but not much as. Let it not be that the difference between what company is selling, it should just be small margin, like understand. For example, you bought this thing 5,000 naira, you are meant to sell it, put 500 naira on top or 1,000 naira. Don't add much, you understand? Don't add much. So that's what makes you a distributor or wholesale. You know that some people, after thinking of how they are going to enter a bus or go to where they are producing or something, they can patronize because your margin is not even much. You understand? The margin you put per row or per pack is not much. So make sure you put your price at stable place, a place that will be the benefits the wholesalers or retailers, whatever. You understand? Make sure you put a reasonable margin because some people make that mistake in this pricing and profit in wholesale business or distributorship. Make sure you sell in a reasonable margin and you are going to go fast. So another step you have to take before starting a wholesale business or before you start thinking of becoming a distributor is marketing and strategies. What strategy are you using in your business? I always ask this in my videos. What strategy are you using? Are you using a good strategy that will make customers to always come and patronize you? What strategy are you using? In business, many people have their strategies. I'm going to share these small tips with you so you know here I don't use any other strategies. It's all about maintaining a good relationship with my customers. Make sure you maintain a good relationship with your customers. Let communication flow. Always make sure that the communication is flowing well. You understand? Don't be the type of a distributor or a wholesaler that when customer come and what do you want, buy, the person will go. No, make sure you exchange some pleasant words with the customers. Communication, make sure you both exchange communications. You understand? For example, me, when a customer comes, especially new customers, I don't joke with them. I greet them, make sure I ask them, how do you find out about us, or who recommend you? The person might tell me it's so person that said I should come here, that I'm going to get things cheap, or I'm going to get whatever I'm looking for, or nobody invited me, or nobody, I just find the shop by myself. I always want to hear that testimony. So after that, first, another thing is I collect their numbers to always call them to make sure I communicate with them after they receive the goods. 2 or 3 days, I'll call them. Hello, hope you like the goods. Hope there's no problem. No, this is the strategy I use. So, what strategy are you using? What is working for me might not work for you. What is working for Mr. A might not work for you. So, you have to look for your own strategy to know the strategy you are going to be using for your customers. And next time, always after when your customers buy from you, for me, that strategy I'm using, I'm just sharing it with you. I will ask them, ma, please help me and tell your friends that is selling this type of thing, that I'm selling cheap, or I'm doing this, my product is good and good. They will be like, okay, no problem. Here's the strategies. I'm just giving you an example of strategy. So which one is actually working for you? Look for a good strategy. Marketing strategies is very, very necessary in this business, especially when you want to become a distributor or you want to start selling this thing in wholesale. Strategy matters a lot, because there's no difference between you and producer again. Understand? Another step you have to take in becoming a distributor or starting a nylon wholesale business is distribution and delivery. This thing, many wholesalers or many distributors are cashing out with this thing. If you doesn't have money to buy a bus or delivering bus, you can hire a wheelbarrow, a standby wheelbarrow. Understand? Whenever a customer purchases goods from you, the wheelbarrow will help the person and take it to where the person is going to get bus and go to his or her place. But when you have money to purchase bus, it's very, very good. It works, and it works perfectly. I'm sharing this thing with you because I've tested it and confirmed it. Like for example, I have a bus. When a customer buys something, after buying, I use it to take the goods to their location or nearest bus stop. The person is going to get this. It reduce stress for customers. Customers don't like stress at all. They want it where it's easy. Maybe next time they might just call you, hello, please, I need so amount of goods. The people will just bring it to the person's doorstep. Customers like it, or customers like web billing. When you web bill it for them, wherever they are, make sure, always encourage them to web bill it. And when they web bill, when you make sure that their goods is complete and everything, so they don't need to stress themselves. That's why distribution and delivery is good. If you don't have boss, you can make sure, always assure them that you can deliver it to them wherever they are. And if the person is coming from far place, just person that the person waste his or her transport money to come to your shop before he or she receives goods. Make sure that assure the person that you can web bill it. Next time, all the person needs to do is to pick his or her phone, call you, you web bill the goods. That's why I say make sure your location, you are located where busy market, where the person can easily find bus. So I say when you are located in busy market, all you need to do is tell your workers or tell your distance to carry the goods, web bill the person. You just web bill it to the person. You see, many people are cashing out with it. Customers don't need stress. They just need just phone call, they will web bill it. In conclusion, selling nylon wholesale business is very profitable. The right source and customer relationship, you can grow from small wholesaler to a big distributor in short period of time. We have come to the end of the show. Now, time to review this. Good news, good news, good news. New World Company is now offering a distributorship to some people that is interested. So if you are interested in becoming a distributor in your country, is now available. Is open. The room is open for anyone interested in becoming a distributor, selling nylon in wherever you are in your state, country, is now available. You can contact us with the number on the screen. You can contact View. This is opportunity. Don't miss this opportunity. View What Company is now offering distributorship for those that want to start wholesale business for some states. So if you're interested, just let us know so that we know whether someone else have taken your state or not. just grab this opportunity now. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do well to join the family and like this video and share this video. To my returning subscribers, I really appreciate you guys. Thanks for always joining. Thanks for always joining the family. Don't forget to like as usual, comment as usual, and share as usual. I love you guys. And don't forget that we still offer online training and physical training. If you are interested, you can also contact us with this number. See you in my next video. Bye.